Hello Bladers! Are you thinking of holding on to your car for quite a bit more? Maybe you're having different priorities at the moment? Some usually change their cars every 5 years. Or, your current car has a sentimental value to you? Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here's how you could update your car features to make it new or update it with current trends. Upgrade your lighting kits. You can't really expect a used car with studio quality lighting to flatter your car interior. If you're not happy with the yellowish stock interior lighting that comes in almost every used car, you can easily have it replaced. Most of these are made with bulbs that dim over time and may die due to lack of maintenance. Upgrade to LEDs. It's much brighter and lasts longer than regular bulbs. Get a dash camera. In modern cars, the dash cam has a monitor that also functions as the rear view mirror. Most cars would even have a 360-degree camera, but you can buy the next best thing for your car. This has saved drivers all over the world from crimes, false accusations, and insurance companies when they get into an accident. Upgrade your interior seats. If you're tired of your uncomfortable seat that leaves your back and bottom sore after long drives, then rejoice. Because there is a solution. This upgrade doesn't require that you replace or remove your stock seat. The upgraded seat feature can be purchased at an auto supply store, or you can have one custom made. It resembles a thick pad of cushion with mechanisms inside it as well as a battery. Get a remote starter. If you know modern cars, then we assume you also know the remote start feature, push-button start, and keyless entry. Older model cars don't have this feature since they also still use the traditional key method. But many wish for this not just for a luxurious and modern touch. A lot of senior car owners who have arthritis fancy the push-start engine because they won't have to insert and turn a key with their shaky hands. While you may not be able to fully convert your vehicle to the keyless, push-start engine type, you can get the next closest thing. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some upgrades you've been thinking? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.